Alright folks, so today we're working on the Stihl MS661. Needs a new recoil rope. See, the old one seen better days. So before we go throwing the new rope in there, you can see that rope guide is well worn out, and if we go throwing a new rope in there without replacing this, it's not going to last very long. So very simple job. You can get new rope guides from your local dealer. All you need is this little flare tool, two 10mm. Use just a little carbide burr sometimes to drill it out. When they're this worn out, normally just grab this end with pliers and they pop right out. So we're gonna get this out here right now. All right, we got the old one out, got it cleaned up, prepped for the new one. Just had a little squeeze with some pliers, came right out. Get set up for the new one. Now we got the new guide in, get the tool installed. Let's give this a couple turns with the 10mm, and we'll be good to go. All right folks, so we got it all finished, got the new guide installed, got a new rope installed also, so should be good for a while.